Okay, good afternoon, teacher. It's my pleasure to talk about our group proposal for new rental survey. First, let me introduce the member of our group. My name is Wang Dongyang. The second speaker is Li Mengchen. The last speaker is Cao Jinrui. Our idea is a new way of rental cars, car sharing, car rental survey anytime and anywhere. The rate is based on time and Miller's driver. The target user are high frequency car use. Just need to travel sensitive to the cost of the car use and wish to travel freely. The users since first is in CBD and business parks. Business field people will high frequency of car use and follow with interest the car rental. The second, business travelers and travelers. They travel to and from transportation hubs such as airports or railway stations. They need to travel medium distance. The third is the population of college students near the university town. The number of college students, they are have qualified to drive but don't have a car. They travel needs convenience and cost saving. So we need to launch a new application. It's based on map positioning design. We can clearly determine the location of the car. A mobile phone can unlock, originate, flatman out, lock the car and return the car. The development space of car sharing is very broad. As an operating platform, car sharing should not stop to find the profit model. With the 5G network, find more useful information and use big data to complete the upgrade. In the future, just through the app reservation, the driverless car will stop in front of the customer, get on the car to see the destination. Can be convenient, fast, safe, and automatic arrive. Plus the intelligent system in the car. Let people in the car can rest, play game, and communication or shopping. So the development of technology will make car sharing more popular and more users use it. So next part is Mengchen.
Next, I'm going to talk about why we design this rental service. There are three reasons. Firstly, the service is much more convenient. With the new service, people could just go downstairs and find a nearby car park to rent a car. And if they want to return the car, they just stop in nearby car park. They do not need to travel and go to a car rental site to rent a car and go back to the site to return the car. Therefore, it is more convenient than a traditional car rental service. Secondly, it is suitable for a wide range of customers. In the traditional way of car rental, the target customers are always people in business trips or travelers. With the new service, it is suitable to people with all needs. They can rent a car to work, shopping, or pick up children, because they can rent cars and return cars in every car park. Last of all, it is cost-effective for short journeys. The traditional way is to pay by the rental time and provided with unlimited mileage. If the customers are late to return the vehicles, and the additional fee would be charged. For example, if you have picked up a vehicle at 1 p.m. and are scheduled to return the vehicle at 1 p.m. 3 days later, but instead return at 2 p.m., the cost of new full rental day will be applied. However, in this new service, the rental fees are determined by both time and mileage. which is more friendly to customers with needs for short journals. That's all.
5 slides already?
No, next part is whole Jinri's part.
Yeah, just present it.
What the?
Are you able to present his part?
Soon.
You guys do it together, right? So you should be
Yeah,
aware of each other's.
And the next part is how to promote these apps, new app surveys. The first thing we need to do is to make the publicity information of this app product spread more widely. The more people will see and convert it. Placing advertisement on platforms with traffic to rapidly increase exposure. Although advertising had a cost, advertising is a very efficient based business activity that can be used here. Online ads such as ADS, information follow ads, banner ads, and media related ads such as Facebook can be used to enhance interaction with customers and promote these new car rental app surveys. The second method is manual forwarding. The manually transfer app advertisements, AdWords, and public relations to Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and other public platforms with traffic. In addition to promote and implement these apps, we also use offline push to promote this app by distributing flyers and lobbying in offline places such as restaurants, hotels, tourism sites, and airports where target users are concentrated. At the same time, the price strategy we adopt is that this app can be downloaded for free on major promotion websites such as Facebook and official websites of the company. In addition, for users who are initially using this new app to rent a car, we provide a 40% discount or provide a car rental cash coupon. For any users of the company, they can download from the official website, social media platforms, and scan the QR code in the advertisements to download. This plan lasts 6 months to promote the app. And the budget will be 5,000 for the market activities. The manager will adjust the marketing strategy such as price strategy based on the number of users who have downloaded and used the app. It is accepted that through this action, it could attract a lot of customers to use this app of the company to rental cars. And that's all for our presentation.
Okay, thank you. Question for you. I am confused. I only need one proposal idea. Is your proposal idea a driverless car or an app?
It's an app.
Yeah, car
So what
sharing.
happened to the driverless?
It's one business model for the car sharing.
Business model that you propose for the car sharing.
A future business model.
So your actual proposal idea is the app.
Yeah.
So
No,
how
the
is your app
The app
different?
is no, because our proposal is a new method. In the past, now they are using the hours rental. For our new proposal is to hours plus the mileage, then count the price.
Are you
So
sure you did your research on ERAC?
yeah,
They have
did
our rental.
rental. Yeah, on the website though.
Yeah, they have
Okay.
station.
Okay.
The rental car station to rental the car by hours.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So you are actually not proposing an app. You are proposing that the rental method add in mileage as well.
Yeah, rental
Okay, so why
anywhere,
didn't you say
anytime.
that clearly?
Oh,
I thought you guys are proposing an app. There's
That one is
no
how
mileage in your app, in your presentation just now.
okay.
I didn't know until you tell me now. So thank God I asked the question. So your proposal idea is actually an app, is the existing app to add the rental method with mileage.
Yes.
Okay. So my question then, how will this attract the customers? Renting by mileage.
Means this one is convenient because just like Grab or Uber, you can rent a car, you just go downstairs at the car park. You don't need to call a Grab or call a Uber.
But how does that relate to your mileage rental method proposal?
I think
You are
so.
talking about mileage, right? So I'm asking, why would a customer be happy to be able to rent a car by calculating mileage instead of hours, or instead to just one-time rental or long-term rental?
Because for a short type rental, calculating the mileage is cheaper than the hours rental.
Okay, but enterprise also have a one-way car rental.
Sorry?
Enterprise, if you have done your research, they also have a one-way car rental. How is that different from your mileage rental? Is it similar?
I think for our method is useful for the short journeys. It's not the long one. Because it can be very cheap, or the long one also may be expensive, but the shorter one, confirm the new method is cheaper.
Then why didn't you present your idea clearly? This is what you're looking for. This is the reason why you're presenting the idea. Okay, thank you. You can stop your recording.
Okay, thank you very much.